Already in 6 minutes 41.
Alright.
We already have 64 views. No, I don't. We haven't even posted it, so how are we 65 views?
You know, it's like, it's new. It's a new thing.
Yeah, we got it.
It's a new thing.
What the heck are you doing, Cash? And then Cole's just attacking Cash. When it erupts, dude, I'm here. You gotta do it or not.
Okay, we'll go get some more tape because we need a little bit more.
Here, I'll take the camera. They were missing a piece of tape, so my cousin needs to go get more tape. So go get more tape. So this is what we have so far of the volcano. We'll put it in here just in case. It's not gonna erupt early, but just in case.
I might have to clear out a little drawer. We have like a whole
Okay, I got this and I got scissors so we can cut it.
It's like mashed potato.
I'll put you in the fridge and then leave your car.
There you go.
Alright, so that's what we have so far, and that's the tape. It's a little big, but we don't need that. That's not the piece we need. Why? Yeah, because we don't need it. Cole, hold this. God dang.
Why don't we use it?
No, we're not gonna. That's the back part. That's the bad part. Okay, I'm cutting off one.
That's what I'm doing.
Here's what we
I'm
have.
sorry that you're.
Okay.
What's going on here?
I'm just making a video, okay? Because Lucas is right. We gotta put this tape back down. We need another one. One more. No, I never told you.
I'm sorry.
Alright, we're making progress. This is what we have so far. We should have one more. How much more tapes to the tape? Just that one.
Wow.
Get ready. Get here.
Awesome. I can leave Uncle Mike
Here.
That, yeah?
Here.
You need to.
I see. You
I see where it is. Oops.
what?
Do we have baking powder?
To get it cleaned out.
What?
Like, to get it cleaned out.
Yeah.
Who cares about the bulbs and what you're going to save? The heck with it.
What?
Get it out.
Yeah, the front of it.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so now smooth the plaster strips with your fingers. Wait, cut the plaster strips into 4 by 6 inches. Daddy! Uncle Mikey, we need your help. We need like a... Daddy, we don't know what we're doing right now. Do you actually know what a 4 by 6 is? We need to cut these into 4 by 6 inches.
4 inches on one side, 6 on the other.
Okay. So we're on this step here. This is what we have so far. Daddy, come help us, please. Alright, I'll take this. So we have to...
Go get a ruler.
No, we'll
It's
just...
a 4 by 6.
They were like,
We need a 4 by 6.
you might consume your whole summer.
That's probably
Outside, trying to
3.
get your yard taken care of, like sweat.
You don't know what a 4 by 6 is?
Well, this one's to be a 4 by 6.
I know, but
Cut
now
it 6
you
inches
can
long.
actually
It's not 4 inches wide.
You can get those big bushes
get the big bushes out of there.
So cut it 6 inches
Front
long.
clean up, and then you can work on the
Yeah, cut
garden.
it 6 inches long.
See, that's
Can you
the
get
Right there.
the wire?
Front, wait, I have
Cut
another
it.
question.
Here, I'll take the camera.
Get out of your front yard.
What's right?
Okay.
And I thought she did.
Okay, now where do we put this?
Until
Put it on now? No. Yeah, that's what we're supposed to do.
To build it, okay, Lucas. Give it to Cole back
Cole,
from.
hold it. Yeah, G. We have. Sorry, guys. Oh, we're sorry. Wait, that's not how you do it. Yeah, because look at. No, smooth the plaster strips with your fingers.
Actually, I was thinking you're missing something.
Cut the plaster strips into 4 by 6.
Place, wet them in a container of water, warm water, and paste them all over the volcano structure.
All right, Mia, you're gonna need to cut more than 4 by 6.
Yeah.
Some more.
So let me see that.
Here's the measuring tape. All right, we're making progress. We have this right here. And then for the final part, we need to add baking soda and vinegar.
Milk and butter.
That's a good idea to do in a box.
Don't forget to buy.
I noticed it was gone, but I didn't even notice it was there.
Is that warm water?
Is it warm?
To send you back to the store.
Kane, is it warm water?
Don't go get it.
Did you answer me? Is it warm?
Is it warm water?
Yes. Okay, here, give me the
Wait.
All right. So that's what we have so far. Those are the plastic strips.
I don't know how many we're gonna need, so hang on, do this.
Just do one for now. Wait, didn't it say we needed 4 of them? No.
Plasters into 4 or 6. Yeah, so I don't know how many you need, but you have to cover like that whole entire thing like that. Even the bottom.
Did you pull it out? Kind of. Wait, Cole, hold it, camera. Oh, take it out.
It's plaster.
Who knows?
What does plaster mean?
I know. It's just picking it.
Kane should not have done that.
What? It's the same thing, man.
No, you can't dunk it in like that. Because now we just have to lay it on there like this.
Where are diesel and dips?
The basement.
Nobody.
We have to find the
Okay,
end
throw
of
that
it.
away. We'll do one more. We'll do it.
I found it.
You did?
Seriously, it doesn't take
That's it?
It takes a while
No,
to
it's
bake
in
it.
here somewhere.
The only pain is
It's right here. It's right here. It's right here. Right here. Okay, so then what you do,
And then just stir it up. I think we have
you lay it across the bottom
Yeah.
like that.
All right, that's one here.
You have to dunk
Can I do
it.
the next one? Okay, no,
Bring it over
I'll do
here.
the next one.
Who has the camera?
Cool.
Cole does. Cole, you're good.
Yeah, I'm good.
Are these yours?
Dunk it in. Put the end in, and keep a hold of one end.
Mommy, how?
We gotta get the other end. Now get the that.
Now dunk the whole thing in.
Okay.
Now pull it out.
Get it out.
Don't make sure it doesn't fold.
Okay.
Now lay it across her.
It goes back
You
together.
guys want to go fast?
Now, Lucas, doing something wrong? No, it's good. This is actually not turning out bad. Mia, you need to move it down a little bit.
It's fine. We'll put more in. Towel.
Just, there's no point in washing it off. You gotta don't let it try that too. What's going on in here? Oops. Not really perfect. Okay. Oh, hear me out. Do we
Wait, I
need
have
the
to cut
whole
one.
thing covered?
Yeah.
I think we're supposed to use all of them.
Yeah.
You sure?
I don't know. That's what I think.
Take one. Don't take both of them.
Don't, because I have to cut this.
Oh, yeah, you do.
It's saying it's been on more long enough.
Don't cut it yet. Because
Yeah,
we might
because
not
you have to
need
cover
it.
the whole entire thing more.
Yeah, you might not need it.
You're gonna need 3. These 3.
What's that show that you watched where the house caught on fire because their crock pot?
Oh, this is us.
This is us.
See, guys, you have to cover all these holes
I
too.
don't really watch that show anymore. Every time.
Can't mess any of these up. And we lose this whole project.
You guys want more?
Go ahead. Listen.
Bro, guys, I can't keep this. It's already, like, wet. But you're gonna need to keep it for the instructions.
Listen, guys, I think you need to do it. Okay, that's
That
about
we
it.
have to do. Alright, so we're almost done. We need some down here. We're not done yet.
We need one more. Little piece?
Yeah. Do we even have a sponge? You have to get one from your own. Okay, right there. We need 2 more little pieces. No, we don't. Yeah.
No, it's literally just going in there.
Yeah, it's fine.
So you're not going to be able to see anything.
Alright, I'll go get a paper towel. I'll be right back. Get us.
Got a sponge.
Dada, we need a sponge.
Hands are disgusting
Oh, here's a sponge.
from this nasty stuff.
We're gonna try and get out of the middle of the floor.
Now we just soak that up with a sponge.
Soak what up?
This stuff.
Lucas, what do we need to do with the sponge?
Just soap up. No, Mia, do it with the sponge. Just soap up all the extra stuff on this thing.
Soap?
Soak it?
Yeah.
Not soap. Soap it up.
So, no, where's the stuff you put in there?
We need to get baking soda and powder.
Wait, what do you need?
Baking soda and powder and vinegar.
Get baking powder back up.
Like this? Yeah.
Back up.
Here, Cole, take the camera. You're a good cameraman. Here, let me see.
Okay, now go get baking powder and vinegar. Baking powder.
This is what we have so far. Are we even close to being done? I don't even know.
Yeah, we're really close. All right, guys, we're almost done. There's only one more step, which is the best step, the baking powder and vinegar. So,
And this guy's right here.
Yeah, hi.
Baking powder.
This has a YouTube channel.
All right.
Looks good.
I know he does. This is a pretty long
It's just
video,
going in there.
Lucas.
All right, let's go.
I'm really bad at saying it. I can't say it.
All right, baking soda and vinegar, the last step, and then we'll have to end the video.
All right.
And no, we have to let it erupt. How much do we need?
Go with the spoon.
All right, guys, we're so close to being done. It's a pretty long video, but we're almost done. So after the video, I'll end it, and then we can be done. So almost there.
Let me see, because I'll scoop it out, and I'll get it on the spoon, and you can put it in.
I think this is a good idea doing it in a box because it's gonna erupt.
Dump it in there. Make sure you get a little bit. Don't dump it all over the side of your thing.
This level right now, smash it with a big hammer and bring it back into here. You can brand new.
That's yours, but not at Lowe's.
No, craftsman.
Pretty difficult because it didn't come with a funnel. It didn't even come
Okay,
with
that's
all
good.
the steps.
Okay, you guys ready?
Okay. Wait, just add a little bit more
No,
baking.
because that's a lot in there. That's half.
Oh yeah, that's a
And
lot.
that's no, it's gonna erupt really bad. So
Cole, why would you hit it?
now all
right.
of that's gonna erupt.
Let's go.
Okay. Just a little more. I want it to be a big one.
Should we go put this outside on the porch?
No, it'll be good in the
Okay,
cardboard.
go for it.
All right, for the
I'm scared.
for the last step.
Guys, this is in a box, and this is vinegar.
Okay, it's
Put
fine.
it in this box too.
I'm getting out of here. No, I'm
Double box.
Okay, so we do it. All right, guys. What do you mean? Double box? Oh, yeah. Okay, that's good. All right, 3, 2, 1, and it's coming out. Here, put a little more in. Load it. There it goes. This is kind of lazy. I think we needed more baking powder.
Put more bacon.
Holy crap.